All right, ladies and gentlemen, we in the front of 4301 Marion Avenue. This is a $22,000 property, deeds in hand. $22,000, you get deeds in hand within 2 months. All right. This is a duplex property. As you see, you got another duplex here that's coming up on the auction block very soon as well. But it looks like a 2-1 duplex. In order to bring these back to life, you're gonna have to get them all. I ain't gonna lie to you. So this one is coming up for the next sale. This one is on the sale right now. Brick structure, roof still intact. You will need a new complete roof, but it is still intact, right? We can't get in the inside because this property is still boarded up, right? But I'm gonna go on the other side of these bushes where you guys can see it a little bit better and know that you seen there was a door on that side. So now we're gonna come on this side over here, right? And while y'all looking at this lot right here, it was another duplex over here as well, but they pushed it down. And the taxes on this lot is $30,000. Okay, the back taxes on this lot right next to it is $30,000. So you'll get the duplex for 22. You could get the lot for 30, or you could let the lot sit, because I don't think nobody will bid $30,000 on this lot, and let the lot sit past this auction, turn around and come back down to the land bank auction and start the auction off at $3,000. I'm just dropping a little juice right there, right? So, as I say, this is the back side of the duplex property. You got a lot of trees around here we're gonna have to get rid of, y'all. A lot of trees. But you got a door open over here. So y'all know me. I'm that junglist, right? If you've been watching, make sure you like and subscribe. You got the whole roof back here done fell in. What it is, what it is. That's the kitchen area here, back door. This stupid dog that might go on the other side of the other property, I think. But this what it be, y'all. You see what I'm saying? So this will be your living room area, right? Front door right there. Living room area, front door. Bathroom, bedroom 1, bedroom 2. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bathroom. Like I say, 2-1 duplex. 2-1 duplex. And you got another duplex right next door, and you got the lot. You can put up another duplex. You get the lot for the right price. You could build you another duplex, and you could have you a triplex in one spot. All right, that's what we're doing for today.